Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Ulf and I'm a certified Swedish teacher operating in Malmö. I hope this video will help you in your pursuit of learning Swedish, and this is what's included in this video. Personal presentation, greetings, how to say your name and where you come from, how to give information about how you're doing, where you live, what languages you speak, and what you do for a living. Let's get started. So let's have a look at some of the most common greetings we have in Swedish. Hälsningar, meaning greetings. So the first one, which works in every situation, work, private life, whatever. Hey. Or if you're feeling enthusiastic that day, you might want to double it up. Hey, hey, meaning hi. Hallå also works in most everyday situations. Tjena, hey. Tja, also more like hey. Those two last ones are more informal and you might want to save those till you feel more confident with people. And goodbye is hej då. Okay, obviously we need to know how to say our name and ask for someone else's. Here are two ways of doing that. Vad heter du? What's your name? And the most common way of asking that question. Vad är ditt namn? What's your name? How do we respond to this? Jag heter Erik. Mitt namn är Erik. So the special verb that we use when stating our name is heter. Just for fun, let's have a look at some common names for boys and girls in Swedish. Pojknamn, name for boys. Erik, Lukas, Olof, Per, Fredrik, Jörgen. Names for girls. Anna, Louise, Maria, Karin, Susanna, Kajsa. Practice this a few times and then we'll move on. Moving on to the next logical question, how are you? Number one, hur mår du? Number two, hur är läget? Alright, and here are three simple ways of answering that question. Jag mår bra. Jag mår sådär. Jag mår dåligt. The first presentation is about Eric. I'm going to read it slowly and articulate really well so that you can hear all the sounds. After that, we'll listen to a presentation about Isadora. There, I will speak more authentically, the way someone would actually say it on the street. Let's start. Hej! Hur är läget? Jag heter Erik. Jag är en man. Jag är en pojke. Jag kommer från Sverige och jag bor i Malmö. Jag mår bra. Jag talar svenska, engelska och lite ryska. Jag är student. I advise you now to go back, listen again, pause me at any time you want, and repeat various times. Finally, let's have a look at some of the keywords that I've used in this presentation to make sure that you've understood them. Jag means I, och, and, är means is and are. So the verbs in Swedish are always the same. Doesn't matter if I talk about I, you, he, she, we, it, whatever. They don't change. So that's a good thing. Kommer, come, comes. Mår, feel, feels. Talar, talk, talks. Bra, sådär, dåligt. Good, so, bad. Now let's listen to Isadora. where I will read it in a more authentic way. Hallå, hur mår du? Jag heter Isadora. Jag är en kvinna. Jag är en flicka. Jag kommer från Peru, men jag bor i Stockholm. Jag mår bra. Jag talar spanska, engelska och lite svenska. Jag är fotograf. So, you might have noticed that I didn't pronounce all the letters that I've written. How that works, I will explain in the next video. Another small but important word is men, which means but. Questions and question words, interrogatives. You have already learned how to give quite a lot of personal information. Now it's time to study how we can ask for the same information from someone else. I will read the questions twice. The first time, just like I did before, I will articulate really well, and the second time, I'll speak more casually. Vad heter du? Varifrån kommer du? Var bor du? Hur mår du? Hur är läget? Vad talar du för språk? Vad jobbar du med? Casually. Vad heter du? Varifrån kommer du? Var bor du? Hur mår du? Hur är läget? Vad talar du för språk? Vad jobbar du med? So, the interrogatives used here are vad, meaning what, varifrån, where from, hur, how. Now I'd like you to go back, listen to each question again, pause me after every question, and try to respond. Either you respond by glancing at the information in the black box, or you challenge yourself and do it by blocking the black box and answering. Let's have a look at what's included in the next module. These are the learning objectives. A more in-depth presentation where we'll include how to say your age, talk about your free time, and your profession. You'll also learn how to talk about other people, and here we have the personal pronouns, he, she, it, we, you, they, etc. The grammar will be explained thoroughly. The alphabet and numbers. Basic rules of pronunciation, stress, and prosody. This is something that requires quite a lot of practice, I have learned during my years as a teacher. So do pay extra attention to that one. You'll learn how to mingle at a party, a personal favorite. And bonus material is a Malmö round tour. This is a reportage from Sweden's third biggest city, Malmö, where I live. And you will also meet a native person from Malmö in this video who speaks the beautiful accent of skånska, used in the southern parts of Sweden. Hope you like it. Hope to see you there. Hej då!